and Nicholas will touch on the products. And at the end of it, Innie's going to show us a little demo video of how all of this fits together. Quentin, do you want to hop in and start things off for us?
Hey, Francois, thanks, man. What a great introduction. And I'm super excited to be part of this webinar today. And I'm even more excited about the security and safety things and the platform that Bosch has developed in the Antioch range. In short, this platform is really groundbreaking in the sense of where we're taking a standard device and we can application specific develop apps and also run end-to-end solutions for best fit environments for the end users and customers. So the security and safety of things platform basically, and I always like to use the example, everybody's got a smartphone. Everybody's got their set of preferred applications that they use. And this is the same where we take Bosch hardware devices. We're not the only manufacturers that offers this feature, but you can then go and purchase an application and then deploy it for best need solutions on your site. So if you want to jump to the next slide. So we can use video as more than just video, and as a security application or as a monitoring system. We can use it as a video access control base. We can do video fire detection or do ad hoc license plate recognition or face recognition, or even to the sense of PPE visualization and occupational health and safety controls. This platform is open and it integrates into our cameras and it integrates into multiple software vendors natively, where the camera will be deployed at the edge, because Bosch really believes that the edge is where our power sits. We have very strong chipsets. We're very spoiled with technology that we can utilize from the more automated environment, because we've got autonomous driving programs going on, we've got sensors, and all of Bosch's devices and the whole realm of our products is built to move into the Internet of Things. So our standard set of analytics that I want to take from Niku that we have on the 16 set analytics, because Niku will really dive into that and really iterate how good our analytics are and the standard base sets that we've got. This lives on top of the analytics that we can build. Like I said, it's a smart device that you can go and purchase an application and then develop it or get a developed special need and build it into your site requirements. Data security is something that we take as a serious nature. So the applications that's allowed on this platform and that will be allowed into the store, and we'll jump to the next slide when we get to the store, goes through a tedious process to make sure that end-to-end encryption is there and that it is safe and secure, because you do not want to deploy any butcher-built application onto your solution. So end-to-end encryption is important, and we've taken the measures in place. Let's have a quick look at the range that's available. Nico will again take you guys into the range. On the security and safety of things and the Antioch range, it's important to understand our different levels of cameras that we offer, from the 3000 up to our 9000 series. This lives on top of our standard range of cameras, and it's available now. It's a developed product and it's ready for purchase. We do have some with pre-built applications already in, and then you have the flexibility to go and cherry pick and select the applications that best suits your needs and for your sites. We have an extensive range, and something that I'm very excited about is, like all pioneering products, we went in with our high end. So we started off with a mix series, and I'm sure 99% of the guys in this call is very familiar with our mix series, robust application built, mission critical applications. And then we've got our run of the rate auto domes or your standard PTZ applications. Again, Nico will show you guys some really cool features with standard analytics, built with camera train, and not to steal again too much from him again, with the applications on top of it. And something that's now very exciting and is live and launched is the Flexi and the Dinian series. That is your run rate opportunities, your run rate products, where you can take your standard applications, deploy into a set environment. Let's use retail as an example, and then you can deploy your retail needed apps, be it occupation levels, be it health and safety, be it PPE masking, and your different set rules you can bring into this operations of your environment. Then all of these cameras, and as a standard of all of our edge devices, offers remote portal. Remote portal is a fantastic tool. And for the SIs and the system integrators in this call, this really allows you to mitigate human interface. It gives you the opportunity to deploy apps remotely and also do configurations remotely, status checks, digital audits, and a lot of those things that will take away a lot of time traveling. And especially in times of pandemic where we are now, this is a fantastic tool. And this is the standard again. And then we need to look at the security and safety of things store. This is the platform, and I urge everybody in this call to go onto the website, go and register the account. There's some applications that's already live that you can test, and there's more and more developed apps moving into this platform. And again, the data security goes through a vetting process. No dummy app will just be thrown on there because of the nature of being in there. So what's really great about this platform, and that gets me excited, this opens up a whole new realm of business application for developers, for SIs, for value-added resellers, where they can develop and deploy their own apps. And the end user owns the app at the end of the day, and they can redeploy where necessary. Please, as I said, I urge you guys to jump onto the platform, go and have a look at what's on the store at the moment. And there's some really nice things like the person anonymizer or specific object detection that's already live and that you can pull and bring in. So in closing, we've really taken what we all use on a daily basis as our smart devices, be it your mobile as an example again, and we've deployed it into our Bosch range to give the flexibility and the functionality on top of what we offer as a standard set.
Quinton, I think it's phenomenal. So what you're basically saying is you've got open platform cameras that are coming out. There's an app store that's shared with a couple of vendors in the industry that have got together. And if Bosch standard cameras don't have analytics, you can go to the app store for those specific requirements that are maybe just a little bit more above what's normal. But also, it means that there's a stimulation in the market and more app development. So consumers are going to have a bigger choice of product in Bosch on the edge in the camera. And a lot of these applications that are standard on the server will now be moving to the edge. And we're seeing this happening more and more where AI analytics is moving to the edge. It's happened in IoT for many moons now, and it's moving to our industry as well. I'm going to hand over to George, who's actually going to tell us how Milestone is incorporating AI and analytics into their software, which I think is also quite exciting. George?